Happy Friday. Hope everybody's had a great Friday the 13th. And, there's only 2 days left in the work week, so you got a lot to look forward to. The thing that came up in the practice today, it's kind of been percolating around all week, is what is a TRO and why is there always a TI hearing, and what does that stand for 2 weeks later? A TRO is a temporary restraining order. It is a petition alleging immediate emergency relief to restrain, to stop, a temporary restraining order to stop the other party from doing certain things, from spending money, wasting assets, harming the corporation, or taking trade secrets, or stealing money out of the family's estate, the marital estate, spending money on, borrowing against the IRA, 401k, things like that. And that doesn't take a great deal of evidence to grant one. They can be granted, and often are granted ex parte, which means without notice to the other side. And that means one side goes into court, makes the petition, asks the judge, stop this party from doing A, B, and C. And the court, if they have met their burden, which isn't the highest burden, and some clients are frustrated by that because the burden is low to get a TRO. The reason why the burden is low is because there's always a TI hearing, an injunction hearing, within 14 days. So the injunction hearing is like a mini trial before the court. It's a very compressed amount of time to get your case together, get your defenses together, and explain to the court and put on evidence, more evidence than the other side, as to why the injunction should be dissolved, not granted, not permitted to go forward, and that you should not be restrained or stopped from doing anything that you have the authority or power to do, whether that be with your corporate assets, your business assets that are shared by other shareholders, your marital assets that are shared by a member of your family, your spouse. In estate matters, it can come up, although that's extremely rare. That being said, if you're faced with that situation, don't take too long to figure out. You need to start your diligent and immediate search for your lawyer, because 14 days is not a long period of time to get your case together, get your evidence together, your facts together, and present all that in a cohesive, concise manner. Because while an injunction hearing is a mini trial before the court, very few courts have full days to dedicate to that. Mostly they can give you several hours, half days at most, and only in the rarest of situations have I seen them stretch into full days or longer. So be diligent, like in anything, and hope everybody has a great weekend. Happy Friday the 13th.